What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. If you are looking to preserve your wealth, to make money based off of the car you own or the car you're going to buy, the car you're going to sell, trade in, then this video is for you because used car prices right now are going to the moon. Anywhere from 5 to 35% over what you would have gotten last year, paid, bought, sold. They are going bananas, folks. So we're going to jump into it. I'm going to show you what is going on in the market using graphs, using charts, using what you guys have texted me, what you have Instagram messaged me, and all the other inputs I get. I'm going to combine with the data from these big companies like Manheim auctions, and then I'm going to give you the potential way ahead for you to save hundreds, thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars on your next automobile transaction. With that being said, a quick reminder to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. We are giving away these $250 Apple AirPods Pro at 5,000 subscribers. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, do a burnout on that like button. So with that being said, here is our first graph, folks. And this doesn't matter if you're trying to jump on and use power dollars and get yourself a HELLCAT or a SCAT pack wide body, or if you're on cars.com looking for a C8 or a Toyota Prius, whatever it may be. We are in the aggregate data here, folks. We are on Manheim auctions on their used car auction data, which this is the same data the dealerships get, folks. So you're kind of looking behind the curtain right here. Overall, year over year data. So February 2021 to February 2020, used car prices at auction are up 18%. So to translate that, if you were to go trade in your car right now compared to last year, all things equal, I know there's a lot different, but your car would be worth almost 20% more. So if you had a $10,000 car last year, it would be worth $12,000 now, which is significant, especially when you start getting to the $20, $40, $60,000 car range, because I mean that's $2,000, $4,000, $6,000, even more just based off your trade-in, which there's also a tax incentive on that. Now, compact cars here, folks, a little bit less inflation here. Mid-size cars, it's okay. Luxury, we're about average. But these pickup trucks, SUVs, and here's the thing, folks, sports cars. That is not a category in this, but sports cars, in my opinion, while they are kind of a luxury item, a lot of them are in high demand. Wide body Chargers, Corvette C8s, Mustang Shelby GT350s, GT500s, all of those hype cars that are selling for 10, 20, 40K over sticker price, those are pulling up this average right here to inflate your price. Now, before we go into more deep dive data, in case you guys gotta go, in case you gotta run, here's your quick takeaway. A lot of you guys have been hitting me up and you're saying, hey, Wide Body Nation, the dealership is lowballing me on my trade and the dealership is trying to get me to buy a used car. And honestly, in my opinion, buying a new car and trading in your used car, your current car, is the way to go, because first of all, you can get max value for your trade-in right now before the electronic vehicle revolution sweeps through and makes all our gas cars obsolete. And while these prices are inflated by 10, 20, 30%, I just traded in my 2018 Charger Daytona for almost 150% of its value. I mean, other dealerships were telling me it was worth 22, 25K. I traded it in for $33,000, which I still owe you guys a video on my exact HELLCAT REDEYE Charger deal that 2021 I just picked up. It's getting wrapped right now. I figured I wanted the car for the video, but hey, okay, enough on that. So, if you guys want a line in the sand for your trade-in value, go to CarMax. CarMax is pretty good at spitting you out the bottom dollar that you should accept for your trade-in, because then you can go shop around from there. CarMax basically uses the wholesale value of the vehicle when they factor in, when they give you that nice doctored up, that nice presentation of the vehicle, of CarMax's value of your vehicle. Now, I wouldn't necessarily accept that. I'm just saying you have that in writing to then go around and shop around and try to bargain your trade-in up. Now, if one dealership has the car you want, but the other dealership wants to give you more money, you're in a tough place right there, but hopefully you can meet in the middle. I mean, we will have to do another video on that, but try to get it in writing so you can bring it to the next dealership and leverage that, because many of these dealerships do not have enough inventory to get the volume sales. So they're treating every sale much more specifically than they might otherwise treat a sale. So, if they only have 3 wide bodies on the lot right now, they can't just get rid of them, because if they don't make good deals on them for them, not for you, for them, then where are they going to make their money, right? Because those wide bodies are a guaranteed sale. Now, hit me up in the comments below if that did not answer your question. Shop around your trade for sure, keeping in mind that prices are inflated. You should be looking at whatever you think your trade is worth a year ago, add 20% to that. Let's just say that's my opinion, but that is what the data says, 17.9% on average, okay? Depends on the type of vehicle. Now, let's see what else is going on right here. Okay, this chart, not very palatable for this video right here, so I'll save you guys this, and we'll just go into the graph right here, okay? Here's the difference between this year and last year. Last year, there was a lot of uncertainty in the market. When the old pandemic hit, car prices across the board went down because all the dealerships were like, okay, consumers are going to hold their cash. I mean, everybody did. Everybody took all the cash they had, whether it's electronic, physical, and they just sat on it for about a month or 2 months. And that is these months right here. This right here is when the pandemic was actually very, very serious, and people's uncertainty was maxed out. And you can see the chart goes down because their uncertainty was up. Now, with that being said, as soon as people figured out that the government was going to provide stimulus and that the world was not going to end for most people, that is where you see this absolute meteoric moonshot of used car prices. I mean, used car prices from here, they went from 125% up to 40% increase in 4 months. That's 10% per month, which is, I mean, I might as well be sitting on the moon and not breathing air right now. That is insane. And then they have maintained that and even jumped up a bit since those levels were kind of steadied out right around the election time. Now, you might be saying, why are they going up again? Well, the dealerships know, the wholesalers know that stimulus checks are on the way, the government support's on the way, the unemployment benefits are on the way, and that is not a political statement on my part, that is just a factual statement. They know that money is flowing in the economy, whether it is from the actual way money normally flows or whether it is from the way that money is artificially stimulated into the economy from all those different avenues and top-down sprinkled on by the government in other ways, right? So, with that being said, the new car scene, it is tough out there right now. The new car scene is tough. There are a lot of markups or a lot of MSRP deals right now, which is tough to swallow because we like to get good deals on our cars, right? But the used car market, in my opinion, is way worse, way more inflated than the new car market. You guys need to use the tools at hand, the cars.com, the Wide Body Nation videos, the Dodge website to actually search local inventory. If you go on any manufacturer's website, you should actually be able to search the local inventory around you up to hopefully 250 miles of the cars that you actually want spec'd out to the T because it's their website. So use that. Identify the cars that you want and then do the research on the car that you have that you are trading in. And if you are still watching this video and you're not even in the car market, your car that is sitting out front that you actually hate this may be the perfect time to get out of that vehicle, because maybe you were underwater, maybe you had some negative equity on that vehicle, but now you could either be break even or you could even have some positive equity to get into the vehicle you want, need, or maybe you could just sell your vehicle if you don't need it. If you just want to use public transportation or bike or carpool, this could be the time to get out of that vehicle because, folks, look over here. This is bananas, insane right here. I mean, every other time it's like, whatever. Oh, a little recession, okay, and then, droop, bink, right on up. So take advantage of this time. We do not know what the future holds. I don't think we can sustain this high of used car pricing unless there's just more reasons that the government or external factors, externalities give us to sustain these high prices. So I took advantage of it. I traded in my 2018 Daytona with a bad Carfax for a great deal on my new 2021 REDEYE that is getting wrapped currently. Check out my Instagram if you guys want to see that. Instagram is Real Wide Body Nation. Check that out for some pictures of the wrap. Other than that, folks, let me know in the comments below if I did not fully answer your questions, comments, concerns. Hit that like button on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed because these AirPods are not going to listen to themselves. But, maybe we'll have some Bitcoin videos coming out in the future. Maybe we'll have some stock videos. I don't really know. I got to head to Texas 2K this weekend. Then we're going to the YouTuber call out in a few weeks. So, that being said, appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you for the next video.